So, do you have a wallet? Not the one where you put in coins and notes, like solid money and all. I'm talking about crypto wallets, for trading and investing big time. Because you'd agree with me, even on normal times, not everybody walks around with a lot of money, solid money on them, do you? So I'm going to talk to you about the online wallets that enable you to invest big and grow and be able to hold so much more. So stay tuned until the end when I get to reveal to you and get to show you also some of the wallets that you can use. So, welcome to Silver Shares here today. I hope you are well and having a fabulous time living, loving, laughing, and just enjoying life to the fullest. So, if you're coming to my channel for the first time, I share about just investment ideas, travel ideas, so that we can enjoy life fully, gain time and financial freedom to keep enjoying life. So don't forget to like and subscribe and stay to the end when I get to show you some of these wallets if you're not aware. So today on wallets, the reason why I'm sharing about wallets today, it's because last week I shared about Shiba, the Shiba coin, the crypto coin that is going to make some of us millionaires for the action takers. So I hope that you listened to the video and that you took action. By taking action, I mean buying the coin and investing in it. But for the few of you who got back to me through Instagram, Silver Shares, don't forget to follow. So yeah, some of you who got back to me asking, what are wallets? Where am I getting these crypto coins? How do I just get to start? How do I know where to go? So this is for you. I hope that you are going to listen all the way to the end. So I get to show you also some of the wallets. This way you can understand how to just begin, because if you check out the last video that I did on cryptocurrency trading for beginners, then after watching about the wallets and getting one for yourself, then I would send you back to the video on crypto trading for beginners, yeah, so that you can be able to see what's available and where to begin and how to just like kind of observe how the growth is going, so that in the end, if you can get back to me and tell me like, hey Sylvia, thank you so much, like I made so much money thanks to your method and enabling me be able to understand how this works, it will be perfect. It will be like my greatest joy and success, because then otherwise there's no point of sharing all these videos with you. Wouldn't you agree with me? Because I'm here to help you gain your time and financial freedom. So let's get to this. Now, I'm gonna share with you my screen so that you can be able to see some of the wallets that I use. Like Uphold, Binance, there are so many other wallets. And I'm just going to show you the ones that I know very well, and perhaps maybe sending a bit of pictures on which ones that you can try and get. In the details, I'm going to share some of the wallets that are available in different countries. That way you can be able to know what is available in your country and get to join one and begin to start investing. So here we go. When I get to show you like some of the wallets that I use. Here we go. So Binance, I made sure this one is empty, like not started with anything. This way you can be able to understand. This way you can be able to see where you can begin. And one reason why I like Binance, for example, they give you a bank card. So whatever you're trading, if you have made extra money and you want to sell, or you want to, like gain some of the proceeds that you have gotten, then you have a bank card to be able to withdraw money directly or go spend into the shop. So Binance is one of the wallets. But before like we begin and all that, one of the most important things to do is always to check the system settings. That way you can be able to protect your wallet before you begin anything. You have heard a lot about pirating, and I don't know if this is what you would prefer so that it's clearer for you. Personally, I prefer the dark screen. This way it doesn't spoil my eyes too much. So you have a lot of settings that you need to put in place, especially from your phone side and everything. Then you can be able to protect your wallet with your phone and all that. So that's the most important thing. And through Google Authenticator and the phone and the email, they send you a password that you need to put in, and never get outside contacts asking you to either do something on your wallet or something of the sort, because that's how people end up getting their account like destroyed or like pirated, and like money is stolen out of your wallet. So you really have to protect yourself from that. So this is Binance. You go to the wallets and you go to overview. So we wait a little so that we can be able to see. Sometimes it takes a while. Here we go. So you have the fiat and the spot. Fiat, if you click on it, it corresponds to all that is a solid cryptos and stuff. Euro, US dollar, what is it called again? All the currencies that are being used in the world that you know about, be it Kenya shillings, be it euro, be it I don't know, yen or kroners for the euros, and Canadian dollars. So you understand these currencies, the money that you used in your country. That's what we refer to as fiat. And then spot is what refers to the crypto, the online money, the cryptocurrency coins, like you have the what is it called? You have the Bitcoin, you have Solano, you have all the online coins. We have almost 60, so I would have to like look at most of them to try and tell you most of them, which we're going to actually see. So spot balance, you see it's zero. The fiat, I've not put in any money yet, but this is how the crypto balance. You have all the coins here. So you have so this is the spot, what I'm talking about, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNBs, which one now? I don't even know, like they are so many. Okay, all of this. And so like when I was talking last week, for example, about SHIB, you see, if I talk about a coin called SHIB, for example, I should be able to find it. You see, it's here. It's already here. You click on it and you can be able to decide to buy it. Like this is the SHIB. And if I say buy, yeah, here we go. Sorry, my computer's a little bit slow, but it will still get us there where you get to understand. So you can see, as I was telling you, it is costing literally peanuts, 0.00002, like meaning with 26 euros, literally, it means you can be able to get like 1,000,000 pieces. 1,000,000 pieces, if you forget about it for, I read an article saying that in the next 80 years, so in 2030, which you can be patient about, ask yourself, in the first 8 years, have you been a millionaire? Has what you've been putting in your account like made you 1,000,000? If not, and if this far you have been patient and probably probably like saving in your bank account and stuff like that. Ask yourself, has it come to like 1 million in the 8 years? And if it hasn't, then guess what? You can be able to do this. Just follow the video that I did last week showing you about it and how to buy it. So this is where now you can get to acquire the coin from. So you have a lot others. So each week I can be sharing again on a different coin that is still very cheap. That way you can get to keep investing. You tell yourself, like, if you can spare maybe buying yourself shoes this month, for the ladies, for those who love shoes a lot, or handbags or clothes or stuff like that. So if you can spare, like, whatever you're always buying all the time, like too much coffee, and then you think about your health, for example, then you can spare some and tell yourself, like, I'm going to put it into this coin. And imagine that making you be able to spend all you want now on everything that you probably put a lot of money in, and you don't realize that, well, little by little, it's not taking you anywhere so far. So this is the only simple way. I'm going to show you like how a wallet works. And so this is now the crypto coins that are all available and everything. So you're able to trade with all this. Okay, and you're able now to put on fiat, which is the simple, now the money that you use. You have Kenya shillings here, Ugandan shillings here, for example. And so you can also decide to trade with forex trading directly now with the fiat side, which are the normal coins. If you hear, for example, in certain countries, if the coin or their currency is very low, you can decide to buy it or something else. So they give you a variety of opportunities to be able to invest a lot into. So that is the Binance wallet. I'm gonna show you now on Uphold Wallet. So that was Binance. I'm gonna go to Uphold. So Uphold is just another wallet. It's simpler, and I like it because it's very simple. Like, anybody can be able to use it very easily and without a lot of stress. As long as it's available in your country, then it's good to try and open one and all that. So if you go to transacting, you make sure you also protect your wallet. First and foremost, the first thing to do when you open the Uphold wallet, for example, you need to just go to security, the 3 points over here, and then you go to security and make sure that you are protecting it with the two authentication factor. So that is with the Google Authenticator, and that way you have a generated number that enables you to go to your account without a problem from anywhere. Okay, then to transact, you go here, and so you say, for example, you want to go from your account where you can send in money from your normal account, for example, and then you are able to trade on let's say I'm gonna use one of this, and then I'm going to try and look for whatever is available. So show more. If you want to go to the SHIB account, for example, you can decide to go here again. You see, it has even gone lower again, because by the time I was buying for the 4 million pieces, it was going for 109 euros. So it has gone down. Don't get shaken. Don't get like, oh my goodness, she said it's gonna go up and not go down. Well, this is the the drama of and the imbalance of cryptocurrency. Sometimes it just goes down and you feel like it's gonna crash, but you shouldn't let your heart be shaken. Like, you literally just need to be patient and don't look at it all the time. Like, you see, for here I would be scared and say to myself, like, damn it, I put in over like 100 and is it 109 or 100 and something? It's 30 euros away from what I put in. But then now if I got scared and worried, then it's going to just make me sell off quickly and lose money again. So the secret is to just buy and you leave them on. Don't think about them at all and everything. So you can see you have quite a number of crypto coins to invest in. As I said, I will be sharing each week on a coin that is doing amazing. The reason why I'm going to be sharing one by one maybe each week, it's because I did a whole video with like almost 55 coins, and people felt it was a little bit too long. So I'm going to break it into simple, just see how far it's changing, how different. And you see you have all this. So crypto world is here to grow and keep like making some of us rich. So in the Uphold wallet, I put in very little, not because I fear, but on online wallets you can be pirated very easily. Like you can lose almost money in some way. I don't know. I kind of hesitate, but I'm not telling you that you're going to lose your money per se or something of the sort. But possibilities are there. And so this is the reason why I said I like to use Revolut, which is the online bank. And I'm not going to share Revolut much because it's my like personal bank, and so I kind of, it's private, so I'm not gonna show that. But just find out Revolut, and I'm gonna put a link in the description below so that you can understand how it works, because it offers cryptocurrencies like almost 60 coins to invest in, and then you have gold and silver in it. I've already talked about Revolut before, and another offers shares. So it's really a global bank that enables members to be richer rather than using their money like all the time. So I love Revolut, and that's where I basically invest much more. But this is worth using as a wallet. And so how you can protect all these wallets to make sure you don't get pirated and maybe your wallet's being stolen or anything, you need to have a hard wallet. The other one, it's called a soft wallet because it's online, it's fragile, and if anybody can get into your computer from a distance, then it means they can be able to steal easily from it. But the hard wallet, this is physical, literally. This is why you can be able to stock now all the other wallets, like now Uphold being brought in here, Binance being brought in here, buying all the other coins that you are able to stock here, and passwords and everything. It's Trezor is one of them. You have is it Exodus or something? So you have different wallets, but I'm gonna talk to you just and show you the differences with this one, because it's solid. It's affordable. You have different varieties and values, so you can be able to choose the one that is convenient for you and the price that suits you best, so that you can be able to keep your currencies stocked well here. And what's good with this one is whatever is coming in and coming out, it is like super protected. So nobody can trace this. I mean, even governments cannot trace this. It's like super protected. So it's valuable and like amazing, you get, in such a way that you're able to really use it to your advantage and make sure that everything is protected. So have you understood like the differences so far? Are you gonna understand how to go for the currencies, the cryptocurrencies, and begin? In 2011 when Bitcoin began, everybody was so skeptical. So don't be among the skeptical ones. And now that I have shown you how to get them, the wallets, on how to acquire them and everything, I mean, don't you have no more excuses. You have no more reasons why you can't jump on these opportunities and take advantage of them while it's still possible, and that it can grow. I hope that you're going to listen. You have listened all the way to the end so that you can be able to start investing and get yourself like the hard wallets for stocking now your, soft wallets in it so that it's protected. You have the different prices and everything. It may feel like it's a little bit high at the beginning, but in the long run, it'll be worth it. So I hope that you're going to take the opportunity and have no excuse why you did not get to buy some of the coins that I'll be sharing on a weekly basis. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was of value to you, and that you're going to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, don't forget to live, love, and learn. Thank you so much for listening, and have a lovely week. Bye bye.